This old Ford F150. A little weird 50. Yeah, it's got a spark plug that blew out, I guess. Dual exhaust. Super Crew. It's a bigger cab. V8 Triton. Pretty cool. Let's get this thing up the hill here, the ramp, and get her down the road. This thing does got true dual exhaust on here. I think it's just the cats. That's pretty sweet. One goes that way, one goes the other way. Looks like one left and right, just the cats. Probably sounds good once it's got a spark plug in it. No, it's just making some. Looks like a bubble car. Let's get her dropped down. I got her all loaded up. You know, my theory on a vehicle is it could be not very cool, and all you gotta do is throw some rims on it. It makes that car look cool, man. Just gotta have the right shoes. See this dual exhaust. I don't know what y'all think. I've had dual exhaust with tips and with tips and without tips, and I think with tips sound better. Had them with glass packs, straight piped, cats. To me, it all depends on the vehicle itself. Is what I'd put on it, but all ready to roll.